Hi all! Today we are going to learn how to make quilling flower clips. For this, you will need clips, baby clips in this shape. Quilling strips, paper strips, it's easily available in the market. You will need quilling tool, this kind of a slotted tool which is used for making flowers, scissors, pollen, baby pollens to be exactly. It's easily available in fancy stores. Fevicol MR. You can use any kind of a glue. M-Seal Clear RTV silicone. You will need a piece of card. You can use any old greeting card or invitation card. Just cut this shape in a rectangle shape. This we will use when we are making petal. Butter paper. This is butter paper. Glue gun. Varnish. We will use varnish in the last. And brush to use the varnish. Varnish is used for waterproofing the flower. Now let's start. We need 2 strips of quilling paper. I have taken blue and white. We will start with the blue. Make 2 halves of blue strip. Very carefully make 2 halves of the blue strips. Cut with a scissor. Now trim off the edges. Now take the card piece which we have already cut and roll the paper strip like this. I hope you can see. Now apply a drop of glue and stick the paper strip. Continue rolling till you reach the end of the paper strip. Very neatly keep rolling. Now we have reached the end. Once again apply little glue and stick the paper. Trim off the extra paper. Pull the paper roll from the card very carefully. This will be the shape of your petal. Now we will make filling for the petal. Take the white strip, trim off the edges. Now cut the strip into 2 halves. Take 1 half. This is the quilling tool. With the help of this tool, we will make shape for filling the petal. Insert your paper strip into the slot like this. Leave 5 cm and insert your paper strip. You have to now roll backwards till you reach the end of the strip and pull. This is how the shape will look like. Hope you can see. Same way, leave 5 cm and insert your paper, roll backwards. It's very easy, just have to roll backwards and pull. This is your second roll. Again, we'll repeat the same step. Insert, backward, you have to roll, and then pull. Third roll. Once again, insert, roll backwards, and then slowly pull. This kind of a shape it will form. This is the last roll. Insert and again roll backward and pull. So it will form a shape like this. Hope you guys can see. Now this is how the shape will look like. We'll have to stick both the ends together. This one and this one. We have to stick them together so that it forms a shape like this. Now apply little glue and stick both the ends very carefully and neatly. Press, let it dry and trim off the excess. This is how your shape will look like. Now we have to fix the filling inside this tear-shaped petal. Slowly open and try fixing this filling inside. Just push. See, this is how it will look like. First give it a try. Fix and see how the petal will look like. So this is how the petal will look like. We have completed one petal. Hope you can see very clearly. This is how the petal will look like once completed. First, we have fixed and seen if it is placed properly. Now, we will remove the filling. Once you have removed, apply little glue inside the tear-shaped outline. You can spread the glue using a toothpick. Very neatly and carefully spread the glue inside the tear-shaped. Like this. Now, fix the filling inside the petal. Slowly push and fix it inside. Very carefully and neatly. Press and give a shape to the petal. This way the filling will stay inside the blue shaped outline. In this way you have to make 5 petals for one flower in same size and shape. Now we will fix these petals. For this, you will need butter paper. Now, we will cut a square shape of butter paper. We are doing this so that our clip looks embossed. Now, apply some silicone glue onto the butter paper. Like this, apply some glue. Apply glue in such a way that it looks embossed. Hope you can see. Apply this much of glue. Now start fixing the petals to form a flower. Hope you guys can see. Very carefully fix the petals. I am making a 5 petal flower. This is how your flower should look like. Hope you can see. this is how your flower will look. Just press slowly and arrange neatly. Take some pollens. We are using baby pollens. Just how much ever pollen you need for this flower, just take that much in a bunch. Now I am taking this much of pollens. Take a scissor and just cut how much ever you want. I am using this much. It will look like this. Now apply some Fevicol to the bottom of the pollens and press all the pollens together. I am doing this so that they stay together rather than separate. Let them stick. Leave it for some time to dry. So this is how your pollen should look like. Now they have dried completely. We will just trim. So this is how your pollen will look like. Apply little glue and fix this in the center of the flower like this. Push it slowly, press, and your pollen is fixed. Your flower is ready. This is how your flower should look like. Let your flower dry for 2 to 3 hours. After that, we will varnish and fix onto the clip. Your flower is completely dried. You can see very clearly it's dried. Now you have to remove the paper from the flower. It's very easy, it just peels off. As you can see, it just peels off. Discard the paper. Now the next step we are going to do is we are going to varnish the flower. Take a brush and dip it in the varnish and varnish each petal very carefully. A light thin coat of varnish onto each flower. You can see how I am doing. Apply varnish very carefully, both front and back. This technique is for waterproofing the paper. Once you give 1 coat or 2 coat of varnish, your paper will be water resistant. This in turn protects your clip, and clip lasts for long. So very neatly apply varnish. Don't just damp them, just very thin layer of varnish. So you can see I have completed varnishing. Now let it dry completely and we will fix to the clip. As you can see, the flowers are completely dried. This is how your flower will look like. Now we will fix them to the clips. Take your clips. Now take the glue gun. Apply little glue onto the clip like this. Very carefully place the flower onto the clip. See, this is how your clip will look like. Let it dry for some time. Your clip should be ready. Hope you can see. Your beautiful flower clip is ready. Repeat the same step for the next clip. Little glue, center of the clip, fix your flower, carefully place and leave it to dry. This is how your completed clips should look like. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do check my previous videos and do subscribe to my channel.